Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this session, I will share a tutorial on how to perform factory default on Dahua DVR. To initiate the factory default process on the Dahua DVR, begin by right-clicking on the monitor screen and selecting the main menu option. Enter the password or pattern when prompted. Next, access the maintenance menu, navigate to the Manager menu and proceed to the Default menu. Click on the Factory Default option. Then click OK when prompted for confirmation. Next, enter the DVR password and confirm by clicking the OK button. At this point, the factory default process is nearly complete. Allow the DVR to reboot. Once the DVR has powered on again, it will have successfully returned to its initial settings. That's it. How to perform factory default on Dahua DVR. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.